Now, let's come to degrees of comparison. There are three degrees of comparison: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. These adjectives change in form to show comparison. When we want to compare some persons or some things, we use comparative and superlative degree. First, let us see positive degree. Here, we don't make any comparison. For example, Rohan is young. Here, young is the positive degree. We are not comparing Rohan with any other persons. Rani is intelligent. Here, intelligent is the positive degree. We are not comparing Rani with any other persons. And just like that, Reshma is beautiful. So here, young, intelligent, beautiful. These are positive degrees. Now, comparative degree. Here, we make comparison between two. It can be two things, two persons, two animals, or anything. And next is, here we don't use double comparison, it is wrong. So what do you mean by double comparison? So when we speak about that, first let us take the example of bright. Bright is the positive degree and we add er to make it comparative. So it becomes brighter. Suppose if we say more brighter, it will be wrong. This is called double comparison because more is a comparative degree and brighter again is a comparative degree. And when these two combine together, that become double comparative. So such usage is wrong. The first example you see, Rohan is brighter than Rahul. Here the comparative degree of bright is used. Generally we use er or we add er to the positive degree to make comparison. Sometimes we use more as we have used in more courageous. Okay, courageous is the positive degree here and to make it comparative we have used more. But generally we use er to make comparative degree. Second example, Raghu is taller than Shyam. Here also with the positive degree tall we have used er to make it comparative. And here we are comparing two persons. Raghu is taller than Shyam. We have compared Raghu with Shyam. And Raghu is taller than Shyam. Meena is more courageous than her sister. Here also we have compared Meena with her sister. So this is the usage of comparative degree. So in comparative degree we use when two persons are there. Otherwise when two things are there we use this. If more than two things are there, we cannot use the same degree. That is the difference. Superlative degree. Superlative degrees are used when more than two things are compared. It is generally formed by adding est to the positive degree. In some cases, we add most to the positive. Examples, the most intelligent, the most courageous, the sweetest. Here, don't forget to use the before most. That is important. So, the first example, Rahim is the most intelligent boy in the class. So, here what you have to understand, it's not two boys, more than two are there. Then only we can use the most intelligent. Rani is the most courageous girl in the class. Here also the same thing. And many girls are there. Many girls means here in the sense more than two. This is the sweetest dish I have ever made. I have made many dish and this is the sweetest one. So what you have to understand, Comparative degree is used when two things are compared. Superlative degree is used when more than two we compare. And don't forget to use in superlative the before most. When we are using most, don't forget to use the. Okay.